Sir,
Yeah, yes sir.
YouTube లో లాంచ్ చేశారా?
Yes sir, start చేశాను.
Hello guys, how are you all? So this SSC JE, we are launching this course, new goal today. But surprisingly, SSC JE 2023 also gave you lot of surprises. So we will discuss that. Just now notification came now. We at Unacademy launching SSC JE State AE AEE English exclusive courses. As we are ready to give you surprise, SSC JE also given you surprise. They have completely changed the exam pattern. So it is absolutely last 10-15 years pattern is there, completely modified. Absolutely modified. Actually, we planned individual subject wise what to do and what not to do. But before that itself, we need to talk about what are all the changes happened in new SSC JE pattern. So we will discuss everything. And before starting it, good evening everyone. Hello everyone.
Good evening all of you. Sir, I think yours is struck.
First of all, no.
Now
Is everything clear, guys?
Is everything clear, all of you? Okay.
Everything clear, na? Chalo, done. So guys, before starting the session, most of you know how we are teaching in GATE and ESC, how KP sir and RP sir are doing well, how they helped you a lot. So you please do to spread the information. KP sir and RP sir only teaching, because why I am stressing this, we are sharing SSC JE subscription to take. Students are asking who is teaching. Who is teaching? We are only teaching, okay? No other educator will come. Only KP sir and RP sir only will finish the entire subject. Each and every concept will be taught by, technical concepts will be taught by KP sir and RP sir only. Spread this information among your friends. Okay guys? And there is a new subscription required for it as an exclusive pre-launch offer. 14 months, 12 months plus additional 2 months, 8,000 rupees. 28 months, 24 months plus 4 months, 11,250. So you just inform your friends, fellow friends, juniors, spread the information like anything. So now I'll say 3 बार मिलेंगे सर कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट में. कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट में 1 बार मिलने के हो जाएगा ना भाई, 3 बार. प्रणव गुरुकुल, देवेश सिंह, everything we will talk here. SSC JE syllabus of pre general engineering, everything we will talk in this session. Don't worry. The first information we have to give. Previously it is paper na, pen paper test. Now this is the first of its kind. It is a computer based test, like our GATE examination. Sir, what is this test?
Hello. Sir, it is getting stuck sometimes.
Sir.
Yeah. So calci will not be allowed. Yeah.
Sir, your network is a problem, I think so.
I think so. Maybe that's why it is getting struck from my side many times. Yeah. So here, so till now you will be using this pen paper that filling the options in OMR sheet, right? Like that you are having. But computer based test means generally, if you just observe, compare it to the offline test na. Computer test means the questions will be given little easy. Already SSC JE questions are very easy, you can say, and so it will be very much easy you can get, right? So very easy questions you will be getting, so and it will be very easy for you to answer also, right, everybody? So don't miss this opportunity. Those who completed BTech, you try to enroll for this, and you try to which one, you try to write this SSC JE examination, right? Because it will become very easy, all of you, right? So if you know the basics now, when you know the basics, it will be very much easy to get this, all of you, right? So the questions also will not be given that much in-depth questions as they are given for GATE and ESC. So no need to study that much depth also. Okay, within lesser time you can become a government. Hello, sir. I think it is.
Sir, we will discuss first of all,
Okay.
we will talk about what are the modifications.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you just show that slide? Okay.
So first of all, we are going ahead. So there are around 1090 plus, means around 1100 jobs for civil engineering. Only civil engineering I am saying. So please understand, guys, only for civil engineering aspirants 1100 jobs are there. Are Babu, regarding calci, regarding logarithm table, everything detailed notification is given. We will discuss in it.
Don't worry.
I have put the slide for everything, all notification information, everything is there. Okay, you don't worry. 3 marks questions are there, difficulty level, everything we will talk, Vasanta.
No need to worry.
We will talk na.
That is why this class will be taken.
How can do it, not take part. Yes, each and every question will be answered, guys. Thoda ruko, sabar karo. So you can get each and every information here. Don't worry. Okay.
Just be patient. That's it. Yeah. So here. Okay. So here, so whenever it comes to be the examination notification, so people will be asking, sir, when is the starting date of application? If you just observe, the dates of submitting the applications are from this one, 26th July, right? Today it will be starting, and it will be up to which one? This is 16th August, right? So today to up to 16th August you will be having this opportunity of applying. But my suggestion is you start applying from now itself. It is better now itself than be late. Okay, because last time server problems may be coming, so you may not be able to upload something like that, right? You may be missing some documents, so it is better you start applying from tomorrow itself, right? That would be the better. Once you apply now, you can be relaxed, right? And last date and time for receipt of online applications is what? 16/8 only, right? So 23 hours means 11 p.m, right? Up to 11 p.m. Yeah, so you are having real server issue, means it is better you start applying now itself. That is better. Okay, don't waste the time. And the date of window for application form correction. Suppose if you are doing any mistake, right? By mistake, if you are writing your name differently, or you are uploading your different sign, right? Some like these kind of modifications will be there now. This kind of some corrections if you wanted to do by mistake, if you have done them, so there is a time given for them, right? Up to 16th you can apply, 17th August to 18th August, right? Only one day they are giving time for correction. You have to be careful, right? 17th August to which one? 18th August.
2 days.
Yeah, 7. No.
2 days, sir. 2 days.
Yeah, 17th to 23 hours. Yes.
Morning to 18th evening.
Yeah, 18th evening. So means 2 days you can say approximately. Lesser than, little bit nearby 2 days you can say. So you are having very less time. So it is better whenever you are going for this application, for the first time itself, you try to avoid the mistakes. Okay, try to fill it properly. Now, tentative schedule for computer based examination, right? It is a tentative schedule they have mentioned, means it is not the final. So mostly it will be in the October 2023. So October means from now onwards, how much time you are having? August, September and October, right? Mostly 2.5 months you will be having the time. So whenever you are having more than 2.5 months, 2 months to 2.5 months time you are having, right? 2 to 2.5 months time you are having, right? So that time is very much enough to prepare completely, and this course will be sufficient enough for cracking this SSC JE examination, right? By the time 2.5 months are over now, so majority subjects will be completed, as KP sir said in the yesterday's class. 70%, 60 to 70% of the syllabus will be completed. So you can answer that, you can answer majority of the questions, you can say. And also along with that we are solving PYQs now. Many PYQs will be repeated, you can say. Okay. So next slide. Yeah.
So guys, first of all, we are going to have what are the different departments and age limit you can apply over here. So the different departments we are having here. So first of all, every student think about pay scale, salary. So 35,000 to 35,400 to 1 lakh 12,400, 7th central pay scale. You are getting very good pay scale only, 7th central pay scale. And first organization to be posted will be Border Roads Organization, BRO. It has up to 30 years only. When you take remaining 32 years also possible, CPWD. CPWD you can apply the students with age of up to 32. But here BRO degree in civil engineering is required or diploma in civil engineering. Why?
Sir, I think it's gone. Just a minute, guys.
Now is it clear?
Is it clear, everyone? Now check it.
Now is it clear? So you can apply up to 30 year mandate. For all these things you can apply for 30 years. Only for CPWD department you can apply up to 32 years. Both students can apply. Both students can apply as well as BTech as well as diploma students. Both students can apply. So here it is given the number of vacancies. So total Border Roads Organization 431. You need to keep it in your mind and you have to observe it while applying the posts. Order of priority, I think, sir, it is very important. No?
Yes, sir.
Which department they are giving more order of priority, that is very important. No?
Yes, sir. CPWD.
So, order.
It's getting stuck.
Only for male candidate 55 separate. CPWD 421. See, this is civil. This is civil. Again, Central Water Commission 188. Major number of posts are for civil engineering only. And Water Resources Department vacancies are till now announced and it should be announced huge vacancies. So when you add up all civil vacancies, you are going to get around 1100 vacancies are there exclusively for civil engineering. So please do understand, guys. This many vacancies only for exclusively for civil engineer, and also exam pattern is changed as per present students' mindset. Old pattern they have not modified now because present students' mindset is changing. So that exam pattern is modified. And Asutosh, you need to take a separate subscription for SSC JE State EAE. Gate subscription is not valid. How are you, Mayur? Sir.
Sir, okay. So here, as per this, right, there will be relaxations for those ages given, age limits are given for general candidates, and if you are having reservation, so then age relaxations are given like this: SC/ST category 5 years, OBC 3 years, and physically handicapped, right? So that PWD candidates unreserved 10 years, PWD OBC 13 years, PWD SC/ST 15 years you are having, right? So those who are having reservations, you will be having additional advantage of this one, right? You can have many attempts. If your age is also higher, you can go for this, right? And so here generally that age up to which time we have to calculate, right? Sir, age means today I will be having some age, tomorrow if today is my birthday, tomorrow my age will be changing, now you will be having that, right? So on which date your age will be counted? On this 1st August 2023. On 1st August 2023, what is your age? That age only will be counted, you can say, right? So if your birthday is on 2nd na, in the August na, then you will be lucky, you can say, right? Before that, if you are having, so 1 year less you will be having. And coming to this, whenever you are going for this subjects, so the pattern a little bit changed here. If you just observe, how many of you observed what is the change in the pattern? This is computer based objective examination for prelims paper 1 and paper 2 mains subjective, you can say, sorry, paper 2 mains you will be having. So it is computer based examination only you are having. CBT means computer based examination only.
No, sir.
Yes, yes.
And means,
Computer based only. Yeah,
both
that is what I am
means
telling.
and
Yeah.
Computer based and objective only.
Objective only. Yeah. Previously it was conventional. Previously it was
Ah.
conventional. Now it is computer based objective, right? So that is a change. Did you observe that, everyone? Paper 1 and paper 2. Prelims and mains both are objective only, both are computer based only, right? That is a change you can see, right? So there is no conventional examination you are having. Okay? You have to be careful. And now,
1 minute.
okay.
1 minute.
No conventional. Yeah.
So how many of you happy with this?
I think everybody
Raise
will
your
be
hand.
happy.
Please raise your hand. How many of you happy with this?
Everybody will be happy with this mostly.
So this many are happy. Salim Garu, Machli, you are very happy now, na, Machli? Because sir, nowadays people are cracking prelims, but unable to crack conventional paper. They are
Yes.
worrying a lot how to write the descriptive paper. So that will be very happy for the students. And we appreciate SSC JE also according to students' trend, the latest students' trend. They have been modified the paper, na? So that
Yes,
should
yes.
be. अरे फॉर्म रिलीज हो गया
अभी आज ही रिलीज हो गया.
फॉर्म रिलीज हो गया. You can apply from today or tomorrow.
Today onwards you can
Final
apply
year
that.
BTech students. Sir, do you have any information? Final year BTech? No, na?
No, it seems,
Final
right?
year
Only
BTech students not apply, na?
not apply. But if you are from diploma,
Only
on basis of diploma you can apply.
Diploma completed.
Diploma completed or BTech completed, you can
Ah.
apply. Okay. Yeah. So here,
अरे अशोक कृष्ण గారు 1 minute sir.
Yeah.
అశోక్ కృష్ణ గారు బుక్ డబ్బులు వేస్ట్ అవుతాయి. నువ్వు ఎన్ని డబ్బులు ఖర్చు పెట్టావు 4 సంవత్సరాల్లో? ఎన్ని బుక్స్ కొన్నావు? ఎన్ని సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్లు తీసుకున్నావు? ఏ అశోక్ కృష్ణ, ఎన్ని సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్లు తీసుకున్నావు? ఎన్ని బుక్స్ కొన్నావు? So paper 1 is prelims computer based examination, 200 marks and 200 questions, 2 hours. Paper 2 is mains, again that is also computer based. This is 100 questions at 300 marks, means 3 marks each question, 3 marks each question, and it is only 2 hours. 2 hours time you need to write 100 questions, 3 marks each question. You can understand levels, or you can comment something. In 2 hours 120 minutes we have to answer 100 questions. 120 minutes we have to answer 100 questions, each question 3 marks. How the level? How you are expecting the level, sir?
yeah. Here this first one, 200 questions and 200 marks when you say it, na. So this is a very basic level questions you can expect from this paper 1 prelims, because very time is 2 hours only. So 120 seconds time is, 120 minutes time is there, but 200 questions you are supposed to answer, right? So for each and every question the time allocated will be lesser than 1 minute. So lesser than 1 minute means the questions will be mostly the theoretical questions will be getting, right? And direct formula based questions only. Every 30 seconds or 15 seconds you have to answer one question, right? Like that you can answer. Very basic level questions will be getting in this prelims, right? But here if you just observe this paper 2, 100 questions are only there, not 200 questions, right? 120 minutes are there and 100 questions are given. So for each and every question you will be having which one? More than 1 minute time approximately, right? More than 1 minute time, because 120 minutes time is there, 100 questions are there. Compared to that prelims, you will be having little difficult level questions you will be having for mains. But you don't worry, because it is a computer examination. See, whenever any state examination, whatever it is examination, whenever they are changing from online to offline, they will be changing it in a easy mode, right? That prelims already first time whenever they are changing it to offline to online, they will be making it very easy. Already SSC JE prelims offline mode examination itself was very basic level. So that will become much more easy, and this also you may not expect that much difficult question, right? So AE, I can say that this is state AE AW level questions you may
So we
get in
can
the paper
expect
too.
gate 1 mark level.
Yeah, gate 1 mark also, gate
Gate
1 mark
1
and
mark level.
ESC,
Gate
ESC,
1 mark.
those
So
level of questions you can
easily we can
expect.
expect gate 1 mark level.
Yes, gate 1 mark level, so absolutely correct
Because
example you
this
can say.
simple, na?
Yes, but the
So
negative marking
we
also
are having,
changed. Yeah, the
yes,
negative
yes.
marking also, previously it was 1/4, now it is 1/3. You observe that, okay?
Arey, what happened? Dipti.
Yes, yes, there is a possibility of
And
little
we are
numericals.
starting. So we are starting with surveying this August 1st, and after that I am going to start with environmental engineering in the next coming week. So our plan is the most important subjects for the prelims will be finished, and actually the target is not prelims, because prelims can be qualified by each and every student, because they have not given 40% also, only 30% also cut off required for the prelims. So prelims by solving PYQs you can do, but the target, our target of this batch what we are starting is to crack you, poke you through mains. So, and the mains pattern also change in the, our classes also according to as per mains pattern. Before prelims in 2 months we may complete 4-5 subjects, not more than that. We are not promising you that we finish 100% syllabus. It is impossible also. But that will help you with those subjects which are important for prelims, we are doing it. So that subjects which are important for prelims we are doing, and at the same time parallel your preparation for mains also completed, because after prelims you have just only 1.5 2 months only, maximum that time only, na sir, after
Yes, yes,
prelims mains.
mostly that much only.
So that you have only sufficiently 6 months time to finish for both prelims and mains. So our main category and main objective is to finish the syllabus as per prelims and mains, and already students are preparing, you people are preparing prelims easily. You can, I confident that whoever attending today's session by solving PYQs and they have already knowledge, they can solve the prelims, and we are here to support you in the pattern of mains for the new pattern, and also we have to crack it, so that should be more helpful for you.
Yes, yes, Sunil, notification released,
Yes,
that is
Sunil
what only we are
garu,
discussing.
only. So we are talking about it only, Sunil.
We are talking about that only.
New pattern only. New pattern only.
Yeah. So if you just
So
observe in,
this is the
yeah.
pattern actually. You can
Yeah, so if you just observe this paper 1 pattern, so here only it is changed from offline to online mode, but the number of questions from these subjects are not changed if you just observe. So 100 questions are technical, all civil engineering subjects, and 100 questions are which one? This is a non-technical, you can say, right? Technical part will be including all civil engineering questions only, but non-technical part if you just observe now, so general intelligence and general reasoning, 50 questions, 50 marks will be having, right? So generally many people, yeah, this is the syllabus we'll be having for this general intelligence and this is general awareness, you can say. So most of these are very easy, you can say, right? Whatever we are, you are studying as a reasoning subject for GATE, na? So that only, but it won't be that much depth of GATE. So they will be not up to the depth of this GATE, but to the small level only you will be having, right? So what is that non-verbal, verbal type, and which one? Analogy, right? So that diagrammatic analogy will be there, and the number analogy will be there, and this letters analogy will be there, right? Space visualization means that only the names are changed, right? But whatever you are having that now for GATE syllabus, same syllabus only will be there, right? You don't have any different syllabus, right? Spatial aptitude, but they have given spatial aptitude more focus if you just observe, right? Everywhere verbal and figure classification, right? So visual memory, right? Spatial aptitude they have given more focus, you can say, right? What is the meaning of this spatial aptitude? That is diagrammatic reasoning, right? There will be some diagrams given and there will be some question given. You have to use the given diagram and you have to select the correct answer also according to the diagrams only, right? So spatial aptitude or figures related reasoning is given more priority, right? So that is very important, right? And whenever you are having this arithmetic calculations also, no, so they will not be very much deeper arithmetic calculations like it, very simple arithmetic calculations only you are having, right? Arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, these kind of things are there now, and series, right? Very simple series will be available, right? Those kind of series only will be there, right? And coming to this general awareness, so in this general awareness, so that is your general intelligence and this reasoning you can say. And in this general awareness pattern, if you just observe, what is that general awareness you will be having? Yes, what is that general awareness you will be having? You can say, everybody could see or not? Yeah, KP sir will join, don't worry. KP sir will join, don't worry. So in this general awareness, right, what are the topics you will be having? This general awareness, you can say polity, geography, biology, current affairs, physics, chemistry, right? My video also got struck. Is it so? Yeah. Is it my video also got struck?
Okay, sir. Now it is good. You can go ahead.
I think. Okay. So general awareness, if you just observe, na, so what is that they have given? History, culture. So somebody is asking for history. No, history is not removed. So history, culture, Indian culture, and geography, economy. Yeah, economy, general science, and polity and scientific research, right? Scientific research and the general science you can say, right? So what is that satellites they are sending and what are the new technologies invented, right? These kind of questions only will be having, right? But mainly you have to focus on which topics, sir. Previous slide, previous slide. Next one. So generally here, which one you have to focus on mostly? So we people, engineering people, you will be thorough with this technical part because you will be continuously studying, and this general intelligence and reasoning also you will be thorough because you will be preparing for GATE and many examinations, and every examinations this is required, right? But only the new topics which you are having are this general awareness topics actually. So in this also, current affairs you have to focus, right? Last 1 year to 6 months current affairs you have to focus. So what is happening in the world, in the country, right? That you have to focus first. And remember, whatever it is the government examination, state examination, or whatever it is examination, polity they will never neglect. Okay, even if you consider this civils examination also, IAS examination also, polity they will be giving majority questions. Yes, polity you cannot neglect the subject, right? Polity is the subject which you cannot neglect, and current affairs you have to focus most. Yes, and coming to this history, yes, modern history they will be giving many questions, right? And that too, Gandhi, after Gandhi has entered into Indian politics now, so from that point onwards they will be giving many questions. Or you can consider from this British era also, right? That part will be given more priority, you can say, right? Yes, yes, history is there. So these are the topics to be focused, right? Here it is not written, right, Ashok? All topics are not written. Main topics to be focused are written here. Okay, main topics to be focused are written
So
here.
I would like to add one point here,
Okay.
especially for GATE students. You try to get this 50 out of 50. Easily you can crack this examination. Because prelims just cutoff is enough, no? Not more than that required. So if you are capable of getting that reasoning, general intelligence 50 out of 50, so no need to think about general studies, awareness and all the things. So along with that, if you have a good knowledge, either you can select one subject, either current affairs or polity, one enough.
That's it. You can
So
qualify prelims obviously. Yes, yes, sufficient.
Questions will come.
Yes,
So
mostly.
easily you can do it. So before you are going to write the prelims examination, you focus on getting full to full marks in general intelligence and reasoning, and at least 10 questions to be done. Out of all this, 10 questions to be done. Don't want to be topper of this because your focus is to be finished. Next mains you have to give more time. So you focus on technical to be getting 100 out of 100, and also next mains 300 out of 300. Unnecessarily spending on a new topics, new subject for the first time learning student, and especially those who are parallelly going for GATE and SSC. This is very clear. SC Garu, those who are preparing for GATE and SSC, your prime priority is GATE only. But as the pattern has been changed, you are going to write SSC also. You keep it in your mind, guys. Don't change your goal, don't change your objective aim of preparation, but parallelly you can write. Parallelly you can write and attend the classes. You can go ahead with the practice sessions. You can solve PYQ. So for all GATE aspirants, I would like to add one point. So you just solve SSC PYQs. The additional work what you can do, SSC previous year question book you take. By this you can finish your cutoff, no doubt, no doubt. And if you take now, in one day you finish 100 pages of PYQ book because you solve that many complicated questions. SSC JE PYQs are small chota questions, so that easily you can solve fatafat, you can finish all questions. So tomorrow your work is, you have to buy one SSC PYQ book, or else if you want I will give you PDF. If you are happy with PDF, I will give you PDF. But you can purchase a physical book. That will be very important. That will be very important if you purchase a physical book. No issue.
Yeah,
so here it is very detailedly mentioned. Sir, you can go ahead.
Yeah. So generally, as sir said, focus on the general intelligence and focus on current affairs, right? Mostly if you go for the last 1 year current affairs now, in the current affairs also polity related, geography related, everything will come into picture, right? That can cover most of the situation, most of the questions. And in the polity also, if you just go with the articles and what is the hierarchical orders of powers, if you just observe now, that is enough, right? So don't worry, you will come to know while the course is going on. And here, so here paper.
Yeah. 4th years you can prepare for the GATE examination as of now. After BTech you prepare for SSC JE. Who told you to prepare for SSC JE now? Your target, you are in 4th year, you need to reach high heights. You have to target IIT Delhi, you have to target IIT Bombay. So after 4th year completed, you are unable to crack GATE, then come to SSC JE. Dilshad, one confusion, degree and diploma koi difference nahi hai, Q salary mein, no difference. No difference, Dilshad, because all SSC JE courses are basically for diploma students. But as BTech students also so many are there in India, they are allowing JE junior engineer is the position which is defined for diploma students only, not for engineering students. But so many engineering graduates are there now. That is why they are going to give permission for them. So salary will be same. You don't get extra salary because of your BTech. Maybe after joining, maybe in promotions, somewhat preference will be given. But as of now, there will be no preference, Dilshad.
Right. So here, yeah, many of you are waiting for this. Actually, calculators and all these things, na. So here, one thing you have to focus is negative marking is increased. Previously, it was 1/4. Now it is 1/3. Right. For every negative question you are answering, it is 1/4 and 1/3 negative marking you are getting, right? And now, so this 13.5 point, if you just observe, candidates are allowed to bring their own slide rule. Slide rule means that scale kind of thing you can say. Calculator, logarithmic table, stream table for paper 2 only, right? Stream table generally it is not required for us. Mechanical students it is required, right? So civil students you need not worry, right? Logarithmic table maybe for this geotechnical some of the curves it is required, na sir?
Calculator is there, all those things.
Yeah, they can do it, right? They can do it. Those who are preparing for GATE, that is nothing. That is nothing you can say. They can easily solve this, right? So calci you can take it. Calci you can take it. But don't take this advanced level calci. Maybe advanced level calci they may not be allowing. Basic level calculator you have to take it. It seems okay. So
it is not allowed in paper 1.
Paper 1, yeah. Only in paper 2 it is allowed. Okay.
So people take it advantage. They feel that they can take in paper 1 also. Paper 1 questions are simple, straight away, even not required also.
Not required.
Usage also not here.
So paper 1 just directly looking at that question and ticking, right? Within 5 seconds you will be answering those questions mostly if you are solving all the PYQs, paper 1 questions. Only paper 2, 100 questions they are giving 300 marks now. For every question you will be having more than 1 mark. So and calculator is also allowed, means simple numerical questions also you can expect, you can say, right? So you may not be expecting very big numericals like GATE, but simple numerical questions you may expect in this paper too, right? You have to be careful, right? GATE level questions will not be asked. GATE level questions will never be asked in any examination, okay? PhD student, GATE level questions will never be asked. So that 1 mark gate questions you can prepare, right? Okay, you go for this. So the standard of the questions in engineering subjects will be approximately of this level of diploma in engineering. So whenever it is a level of diploma in engineering, so gate level questions you will never expect, right? From the statement itself you can understand that, right? Okay, so you have to be careful. Sir, I think it is struck from KP sir side. So diploma level, right? So diploma level questions will be matching the gate level questions. Those who are asking, diploma level questions will not be matching the gate level questions, right? So you keep that difference in your mind, all of you, right? They will not be up to the gate level. They will be up to the diploma in engineering. That level questions only will be there, right? So you have to be careful. So yeah, numericals, simple numericals, right? Not bigger numericals. Okay, you don't worry.
This Pratik will come for every session. He will ask, but he is not coming to classes.
Not coming to class. Yes, yes.
PhD garu. PhD garu, how are you?
He's doing PhD in asking questions only. Right.
Yeah, I
So
told you na guys, cut-off marks. So minimum qualifying marks for paper 1 and paper 2, minimum cut-off is paper unreserved 30%, OBC EWS 25%, all other categories 20%. Based on normalized scored in paper 1, that is computer based examination, after normalizing like same in GATE, then candidates will be shortlisted category wise to appear in paper 2. Based on normalized score in paper 1, based on CBT of paper 1, candidates will be shortlisted category wise and to appear in paper 2. Commission shall have the discretion to normalize the marks. You are not going to ask anything. You are not going to ask anything with the commission. They have only the rights about normalization and everything. So this is done.
yeah, this is done, sir. Okay. Yeah. If you consider this syllabus now, Part A civil engineering, what is there in the syllabus? Building materials you are having, estimation costing.
Paper 1.
Yeah, paper 1. What is that you are having? Building materials, estimation, costing and valuation, surveying, soil mechanics, hydraulics, irrigation engineering, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, and also structural engineering parts. Which one are there? Theory of structures, concrete technology, RCC design and steel design. Some people will get a doubt immediately. Sir, strength of materials is not mentioned. So this theory of structures, according to SSC JE syllabus, the theory of structures itself will be strength of material topics as well as which one structure analysis topics, right? Both will be theory of structures only they'll be given, right? Previously also they have given like that only, right? Don't think that Swami is not there. Okay, yeah, see, that is only in that only, right? In that only mechanics. Yeah, this is a complete syllabus you observe. Sir,
So this is for paper 2, sir. Paper 2, when
yeah.
we are coming for paper 2 syllabus, part A, civil and structural engineering students can come here. First, building material, we can go ahead with building material subject, because building material is the most weightage and high valid subject. So when we take, before going to talk about it, I will show you I will show you weightage marks in recent paper which is happened in November 2022. So we are having, see here, building material, highest number of marks. Every paper, prelims, this is about prelims I am talking. Prelims examination in building material, concrete technology combinedly, 16 questions. This is the highest weightage out of the list. You can check it out. Highest weightage, 16 questions are there, highest weightage. Then immediate to that, around nearly estimation costing. The two most important which are having highest weightage, first one building material, second one estimation costing. In the same nearly, they have changed the pattern. This time they have given very high weightage to transportation. Previously transportation is just 4 questions, 4 marks only. But this time they have given around 11-10 questions. Irrigation also they increased the weightage this time. So suddenly SSC JE pattern in 2022 modified. So we expect same thing will be happening in 23 also. So as per that, even from old pattern also, building materials is the most important subject. Same physical, chemical properties, classification, standard tests, everything, stones, silicate-based material, cement, asbestos, timber, wood-based products, laminates, bituminous material, paints and varnishes. Everything as it is, our building material syllabus is there as per ESC. No new topics as per ESC, same are there. Sir, you can estimation and casting.
Yeah. So in this estimation and costing also, right? Yeah, it is CPM will be included, right? Along with that, so this if you just observe this now, so scrap value, salvage value, asserted value, sinking fund, right? These are all related to. It is combined, you can say, right? So it is not exactly CPM, it is not exactly estimation. It is of mixing type, you can say. It is generally of mixing type, and the starting portions, if you just observe now. These are all purely related to estimation, right? There is no CPM at all. Okay, these are purely, these first two topics are purely related to which one? This estimation, right? And here earthwork, brickwork, right? RCC work, right? So they will be giving which one? This bar bending schedule, right? How many number of bars are required? How many kgs of steel is required, right? How many kgs of concrete is required? How many cubic meters of concrete, right? All these things, right? In terms of area, in terms of, so some parameters you can measure in terms of which one? This area. Some parameters you are estimating in terms of this volume, right? There are many parameters you will be having now. So using trapezoidal formula, Simpson's rule, right? All these things you are having, yes, na? These are all first topics are purely estimation topics, right? These last topics are little here and there combined topics you can have, right? Mostly.
Completely, this is quantity surveying.
Quantity in surveying, yes, that is exact what you can say. Quantity surveying in diploma, that subject only. Those who are having diploma are more advantageous than BTech, you can say, because they will be all.
ఎగ్జామ్ అప్పుడు మాత్రం మళ్ళీ బాధపడతావు. చదువు బాగా చదువు, ఈ సుత్తి కబుర్లు బాగానే చెప్తావు ఇక్కడ మెసేజ్లో.
Yes, yeah, surveying.
Hydraulics is FM only. Hydraulics is FM only, Messi guy.
Yes, surveying, if you just observe, principles of surveying, measurement of distances, the chain survey, right? Working of prismatic compass, compass survey, bearings, local attraction, plane table survey, theodolite, adjustment of theodolite, right? Permanent and temporary adjustments, leveling, definition of terms used, contouring. In this contouring, from the principles, characteristics of contour, definitely you will get one question from every examination, definitely, right? Curvature, refraction corrections, temporary and permanent adjustments of dumpy level, methods of contouring, uses of contour map, tachyometric survey, curve setting, earthwork calculation, right? Earthwork calculation means that volumes, right? So you'll be having this prismoidal formula and this end areas formula, na? Yes, no, these formulas, right? I think we are discussing now itself, right? And advanced surveying equipments. So what is that advanced surveying equipments? Mostly that is your total station only you are having, right? Advanced surveying equipment is like a total station only you are having, right? If you just observe, their remote sensing, GIS, GPS, these topics are not there. Field astronomy is not there. The syllabus is very lesser syllabus, right? Compared to ESC and GATE syllabus, if you just observe now, and compared to previous year syllabus also, they have changed, it seems, right? Many topics they have removed. Okay, so you observe, right? These advanced field astronomy, that triangulation, errors, these topics are not there in the syllabus, you can say, right? Syllabus is a little bit reduced, so you be careful. Yeah,
2022 if you see, na?
Yeah, 10 last
one,
sir. 11, 10, 10 marks almost they are giving 10 marks. 10 marks to 11 marks.
10 to 11, 10. So surveying questions are increased, no?
Surveying questions are increased, so you have to be careful, right? And easy questions only. These are all the topics easy only, right? There will not be much difficult topics, you can say. All difficult topics are removed if you just observe. Okay?
Yeah. All your doubts related to the course, you just WhatsApp me, I will explain everything here. In class only we will solve the PYQs. In class only we conduct the live test. In class only we will give short notes. And everything, whatever required for your preparation, we can give. 100% what is needed for a student to crack the exam, we are going to provide for you. And this 1st August we are launching with surveying, because surveying is 10 marks we are expecting in prelims, very important subject, and also mains at least 10 questions. So means 10 questions means 30 marks.
30 marks.
Total prelims and mains combinedly we expect from surveying 40 marks. So that is why we are going to start with surveying. And this is the easiest subject. If we initially start with building material theory subject or soil mechanics tough subject or transportation tough subject. Students are feeling, "Arey, this much hard." So that is why easy and practical oriented subjects we can start. Surveying should be very helpful for you to understand the knowledge practically. That is why we are starting with this subject. And after that, remaining we are going to start. And what is required to crack your exam, everything will be provided here.
First we'll start heavy weightage subjects only, don't worry, right? So that you can crack the prelims definitely. That is how we can start.
So soil mechanics 2022 paper, 9 questions are there, 9 marks are there. So this includes total syllabus. No need to talk what is there in GATE syllabus, ESC syllabus, nothing is there. Everything, origin of soil, phase diagram, definitions, void ratio, degree of saturation, water content, everything. Na? If I read, that is simply, fortunately, well hydraulics also included here only. See his determination of coefficient of permeability, unconfined, confined aquifers. Instead of hydrology, they have given here in well hydraulics also they have given here. Same syllabus. But previously there are topics like soil exploration. Some advanced topics are there, na? That advanced topics are not there. Soil exploration not there. Foundations are. They ended with bearing capacity, plate load test, SPT only. No foundation. See this one. They ended with bearing capacity, only bearing capacity included. Plate load test, standard penetration test. That's it. They have not at all mentioned a lot regarding foundation. No pile foundation, no sheet piles, no soil exploration. So many things not there. Good one, Harun. You can go ahead. Perfect, Harun. That should be possible. That should be possible with PYQs. Correct. Hydraulics is FM Garu. FM Garu aa gaya na idhar. Hydraulics. So fluid properties, hydrostatics, measurements of flow. Let's see. You have to give party. There is no kinematics. You are feeling tough for kinematics. So no kinematics, only Bernoulli theorem application, flow through pipes. Because why they have removed? Do you know? Diploma students don't know differentiation integration. Diploma students don't know differentiation integration. That much maths not required for them. So that they removed kinematics. Very happy, na? Yes, very happy. Flow through pipes, and there is no boundary layer concept. No boundary layer, tough na? Again, boundary layer concept is a tough topic. There is no boundary layer concept. And this is flow through waves separately we have done last session. So extra hydraulic machinery, only pumps and turbines. Additional for hydraulic machinery, they have not given all topics of hydraulic machinery. No impact of jets. Only pumps and turbines only given, no impact of jets also. So yes, Vishnu, we can expect the same 40 marks from soil mechanics. 10 marks in prelims, 30 marks in mains. Total 40 marks we are expecting from soil mechanics. Vishnu. Today's session only week is spillway. So this spillway is from irrigation. Same formula, same, nothing new. Sonu Garu. Today's session only. Final selection is based on paper 2 only. Final selection is based on paper 2 only, Shailu. No issue. Definition, necessity, benefits, ill effects of irrigation, types and methods. So it is a combined irrigation engineering they have given. They combinedly mentioned irrigation as well as hydrology. Again, we can expect 10 questions in both prelims as well as mains. Everything syllabus, whatever recently completed. So you people understand what is there here. What is there here? Everything what is there in our notes. I have given extra topics also, river training works. That river training works and everything is there. Same syllabus, water logging. See this one. Water logging, preventive measures, characteristics of fertility of soil. Additional topics I have mentioned. Same thing, nothing new. Lacy theory, silting and scouring canal. So our notes, nothing required. Sir.
Yeah. Aditya, majority of the reasoning portion, but little bit of quant, right? Arithmetic calculations they have mentioned, na? So little bit, the basic part of that number systems topic you are having, na? So that part only you can go for, right? You don't go beyond that, right? Okay, don't worry. So you will be coming over now. So I'll be taking that subject. I'll be only taking that subject. So you'll come to know, right, which one is there here. And coming to this transportation, if you just observe it, highway. So geometric design is there and the material testings are there. And here they are focusing on which one? This is a waterbound macadam and this wet mix macadam also, right? So these topics generally you don't study in the GATE and DSC point of view, but here these you have to focus, right? Especially state examinations and SSC JE examinations, right? These you have to focus mostly, right? That construction part is very important, right? Construction part and material part you have to focus very much. But in the GATE you will be focusing geometric design. Here you have to focus the construction and this material testing part, okay? Pavement construction, you have to be careful. And this rigid pavement joint side, up to this they have covered, up to this line maintenance na, so that is related to this pavement design only mostly, right? And highway drainage also, right? This is drainage part you don't study generally. So I think previously only that Karnataka Public Service Commission was having, other examinations were not having. ESC also previously it was there, they have removed it. But in SSC JE this highway drainage is also there, right? So you have to be careful, right? This is new topic you are having. And railway engineering, right? Up to this only you are having highway and railway engineering, components of permanent way, sleepers, ballast, fixtures and fastening, track geometry, points and crossing, track junctions, stations and yards, right? So here railway engineering also some topic is given, it is beyond more than GATE syllabus but lesser than ESC syllabus, right? Complete ESC syllabus is not there, half of the syllabus, whatever the railway syllabus you are having in ESC na, half of the topics are given here. And again they have mentioned traffic engineering, different traffic surveys, speed, flow, density, interrelationship, intersections and interchanges, traffic signals, traffic operations, traffic signs and markings and road safety, right? And here you can observe only highway and railway are there. So did you observe anywhere airport, tunnel, harbour are present or not present, right? Airport, tunnel and harbour are not present here, right? Only highway and railway are there, right? Your burden has decreased in transportation also, you can say, right? So you be careful, right? It is easy, it has become easy, you can say, compared to previous one mostly. Previously airport was there but it is removed now.
For those who are having GATE and ESC subscription, SSC JE Hindi subscription, it is not allowed because it is a new goal, SSC JE English. Already having SSC JE Hindi students also, they are also have to take new subscription only. Because that is a different category, this is a different category. And here we are coming now in SSC JE Hindi, only some teachers are there and some English is going on, that is different. So compulsory SSC JE English you have to take a separate subscription.
Here no mix up, only English, okay?
Are Abhi, please tell me, are you feeling any difficulty in observing the language problem with us?
No sir, he was asking for SSC JE Hindi goal separate is also there. That's what he was asking actually.
Okay. Hindi goal also separate.
Yeah, that's what he was asking.
What time classes RPs are starting? 5:30 to 7:30, Harun. Then next myself is going to start 11 to 1 morning session, or even in the morning, early morning 6:30 to 8:30, like that we are planning. So you don't worry about it. Timing will be as per our convenience only. And you know now you are a regular student in Unacademy and you have attended so many classes. You know our classes already, and the timing convenient as per students poll. We conduct poll and after that only we can give the class as per students only. So now coming to environmental engineering. So this year they have given 8 to 9 questions in prelims examination. Same as it is like surveying, as it is like geotechnical, both included prelims and mains. Combinedly we are expecting prelims and mains, combinedly we are expecting 40 marks. And August 15th we are going to launch the course of environmental engineering in plus. And exclusive course, you know how the environmental engineering special will be. You are experiencing now in GATE course how it will be special for us. So same special course will be launched which cover all state AE, AEE PYQs, SSC JE PYQs. Everything will be solved. So you don't worry about previous year question, practice question. I promise you around 300 to 400 questions you solve in this course. Okay, you don't worry about it. So syllabus, this much is not required to talk about syllabus. Everywhere is the same syllabus. Quality of water, water supply, purification, distribution. Additionally, we have need of sanitation. So these are additional sewerage systems, need of sanitation, sewer appurtenances, which are not in GATE syllabus. Which are not in GATE syllabus. Noise pollution is not in GATE syllabus, it is there in ESC syllabus. These two. Sewer appurtenances, sewerage systems, noise pollution, these are the additional topics which are not in GATE, they are in ESC. That's it.
Yeah. So coming to this structures, this theory of structures, if you just observe now, they have mentioned theory of structures, but in the starting parts, if you just observe, those are all related to what strength of materials topics only. Elasticity, constant, types of beams, determinate, indeterminate, bending moment, shear force, simply about cantilever and overhanging beams, movement area, and all these. All these are which one? This is strength of materials topics only, right? But when you go to the bottom now, so for different sections, right, direct and bending stresses, that chimneys means chimneys, dams, retaining walls means direct and bending stresses topic, right? Don't think that it is anything separately. That is just a direct and bending stresses topic which we are having in strength of materials. Very small topic, right? And critical load of columns and torsion of circular sections only, right? And here if you just observe now, is there any structural analysis syllabus we are having? Fully strength of materials only, right? Even though they have given the name as theory of structures, but it is completely which one? Strength of materials syllabus only, right? Completely strength of materials syllabus only, right? So you have to be careful. And in this concrete technology, if you just observe, these basics are given: properties, advantages of concrete, and different water quality, right? Water cement ratio, workability, mixed design, right? All there in the code book in a sequence na. All these topics are there in the code book in a sequence, you can say, right? Batching when you are doing, so for meter cube, how many samples we have to take, right? So 1 to 50 meter cube, 51, more than 51, right? Like that. These are all discussed in the first chapter of which one? This RCC, you can say, if you just remember, right? And coming to this RCC design also, that beams, mainly beams you have to focus, right? Shear strength, bond, everywhere these specifications are very, very important, right? You can say, especially that IS 456 specifications are very, 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 very important, right? If 10 questions are given from RCC na, then you will be having 8 questions or 7 questions will be only based on the specifications, right? The specifications will be that much important, you can say, right? Yeah. Yeah, here that can be discussed either by KP sir or myself, don't worry. So you are telling that concrete technology was in BMC. Okay, this portion, whichever it is there, okay, whichever it is there, KP sir part will be discussed by KP sir, my part will be, myself will be discussing, don't worry, okay, whichever is useful for RCC.
So, or else, as per your demand, if you need whom, we will take, no problem.
No problem,
Okay?
there is no issue.
There is no issue between us.
That concrete technology part, anybody, any one of us will take. And in the steel design also, so here RCC design, you'll be having this T-beams lintels also, right? Generally you don't study these topics in GATE, okay? T-beams you will be focusing, but lintels you will not be focusing much, right, in GATE. But in ESC you will be having, right? Lintels you are having, this is staircases, retaining walls, water tanks. So these are all little bit advanced RCC also given, you can say, right? Why? Because mainly that CPWD, Central Public Works Department, is there now. So that is why these type of advanced topics of RCC are also given, right? So you cannot escape from RCC, you can say. And steel, they have given basics only: steel design and construction of steel columns, beam, roof, truss, plate girders. Beams, roof truss, and plate girders. In the roof truss also, that loads wala you will be getting, right? Equations you will be having, wind load and everything. So those only mainly, you can say.
So this is cut off, sorry, it is
Weightage.
two questions. Weightage, not cut off, sorry. It is weightage. So theory of structures around 5 to 7, RCC.
Yeah.
You can take average 8 marks average. Steel
Steel,
also around 7 to 8.
yeah.
So highest as usual building material followed by estimation. Environmental average 8 marks. Soil mechanics average 8 to 9. Hydraulics 9 to 10. Irrigation 8 to 10. Transportation also 8 to 10. Surveying 10. So this is the prelims 2022 prelims pattern, latest pattern. So we are expecting the same thing going to happen. What are required in future and coming days what is needed to crack the exam and everything we are ready to provide here. And from tomorrow onwards also regular classes, PYQ sessions, practice sessions. We are planning for SSC JE and the DDA exam also will be there. We are planning for a DDA JE and TSPSC AE exam is there. Other states AE exam are there. So AE, AEE, Polytechnic lecturers exams are there. For this either practice questions or PYQs or what is required to crack the exam. So those sessions in the free classes and special classes we can conduct, YouTube and special classes. Along with that, as I told, Plus course is going to launch from August 1st. 31st is the orientation session. And the 1st onwards we are going to launch the new subject. RPs are going to start with surveying. So, Polytechnic lecturer Maharashtra mein, you can ask your Shinde family, na? You don't ask me, you can ask your Maharashtra Shinde family. You also know, na? Not DPA, DDA, Delhi Development Authority, Harun. Delhi Development Authority, that is DDA. So guys, make it a big success. Because of your demand, we started these courses. You are asking so many times. Sir, we are habituated to learn from you. So you have to enter into SSC JE, AE, AEE. So please make it widespread. We are here to support you and we need to feel that our every student, either they must be in IIT or they must be in government job. Only two options. We are giving to each and every student who are attending our classes, only we are giving two options. Either they must be in IIT or they must be in the government sector. That's it. No private sector, no tension, no pink slip. So this is only perfect target. So go ahead, work hard, study well. We are here to provide what you require time to time. This is important, na? Time to time. One point I would like to add over here. Throughout India, nobody conducted any session regarding CPCB. So only we conducted CPCB, that many sessions, around 20 sessions for CPCB exam. So time to time, as per your exam requirement, what are needs of students, we are going to conduct those sessions and we are with you. That practice sessions helped a lot. What we done just 1 week before in CPCB, around 10 questions came in the exam. So we provide whatever required for your exam needs. So at the same time, we are going to say, go ahead with distributing this information among your friends, juniors who are preparing for government jobs. And very simple thing I would like to say, don't worry about language. Our language is very easy and simple. Our English is very easy and simple. You don't worry about language. Language is not at all a barrier. Please understand this. Okay, language is not at all a barrier. This will help you to crack any kind of examination. Okay, guys? Sir.
Yeah, we don't use Shashi Tharoor like English. We will use Sudhamurthy like English only. So don't worry. It is local, having the native Indian spirit in that. So you can understand it very easily, right? So here, inform to all your friends to subscribe to this subscription, right? SSC JE, State AE JE, English, right? You have to select which one? English, right? And the classes will be starting from August 1st, that is with the surveying. I'll be sharing the Plus course link also, don't worry. But share with all your friends, right? So whoever, right, whoever is willing to get the government job, you just share this information to all those friends, right? So that whenever you are having many people now, you will be having that competitive spirit automatically. You will be working for your goal, okay? And our YouTube channel is also corresponding to this one is Dakshina Engineering by YouTube Junction, right? Dakshina Engineering Unacademy Junction, right? You will be having that is especially for SSC JE and AE examinations only, right? And for GATE you are having that separate a card, but only for this SSC JE AE, this is Dakshina Engineering Junction, right? You just search it in YouTube. You just subscribe to this.
Hemant, any student can crack this 2 months. The student can work 12 to 14 hours, finish all the PYQs and reasoning, especially reasoning and aptitude part, 50 marks. If they are having logical thinking, easily they can crack it. The only thing, consistency and determination is required. Easily you can crack SSC JE in these possible months. But you need to work hard with a smart plan. You can make a timetable, you stick on to the timetable, work hard on it. What to focus, what not to focus, how to make a timetable, everything we are bringing up new videos. What are required for SSC JE and AE examinations. So as we are very active in GATE and ESE sector, and now onwards we are going to be proactive in SSC JE and AE sector. You don't worry, we are here to make you to crack the examinations. Okay guys, let's crack it. Done. Good night all of you.
Good night everyone.